How to loop a song on Spotify without premium, or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So when you open up Spotify, now tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar. Now search for the song you want to listen. Now tap on search. Now when you play the song, now tap on add to playlist. Now create a new playlist and tap on create. Now when you go to your library, now open up the playlist. Now when you scroll down, Spotify automatically adds their recommended songs on the playlist. Now when you tap on shuffle, as you can see you cannot shuffle without premium. So unfortunately, you cannot play the same song over and over on Spotify without premium. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.